Welcome to our channel. Today in this video I am going to explain how you can export your model from Blender and import this model into the Unreal Engine. So how we can do this process? So let's start the video. This is the DNA model which I created from my previous video. So first I delete these two model, and here is just only one object, and here I select this and enter into the UV editing layout, and here by pressing A select all these mesh, and here is the UV and press the UV unwrap, because before exporting your model your model is properly UV unwrap. So this is the UV map for this model, and now back to the layout, and first I save this, and now I select this model and go to the file, and here in export, and here I choose the format. You can choose anyone, but here I choose the FBX format, and this is the process where you can export your model. And here you can see our model is select. So here in limit 2 I select this option, selected model, and here in path mode, this is very important for the material, and here I choose the copy and hit this button, and you can see this is for embedded texture, and here I select this and press the export button. Here you can see select the directory where you want to save your model, and here I export FBX button. Now I open the Unreal Engine, and here in content drawer I open this, and on my second monitor I drag the DNA model into the content browser, and here you can see the option, a lot of option, but here I use nothing, and here I hit the import all button. Now here you can see our model is imported. Close this, and here you can see our model is imported. Here you can see the preview of our DNA model, and this material is automatically created by importing the FBX format into the content browser, because during exporting we embed the texture for this model. So here I select this and drag this model into our viewport. Here you can see that our DNA model is exported in Unreal Engine. We can create a lot of different copies for this, and use this model or any other model in your games. So in this way you can export your model from Blender and import into the Unreal Engine with the textures. Thanks for watching.